Hello, my saplings. Welcome to the Practical English channel. Already you have enjoyed your life by studying English in Practical channel. But today we will discuss about the present perfect progressive. Already we have completed present simple, present progressive, present perfect. Then today's is present perfect progressive. Clear? That means now you read the sentences. You will find the difference. What if you are practicing? Definitely you will get the difference. If you are not practicing, then you will be able to know what is there. Isn't it? So, first example, it has been raining for 3 hours. Okay. Number 2, he has been waiting for the train since 4 p.m. You have been talking too much. Jenny has been helping us. We have been learning English. They have been living in Bangkok. Here, what you are finding? You are finding that it, he, you, Jenny, we, they. These are known as what? Subjects. That means subject is there. Formula is subject is there. As we are discussing about the present tense, so what you are getting? You are getting has, have, have. These are known as have verbs. Have verb. These are known as have verb. That means auxiliary verb, helping verb, have verb. In present tense, there are two have verbs already. It was discussed, has and have, isn't it? So have verb. Then extra has been added in every sentence. Been. So subject plus have verb plus been. Then what is that? Then come to the main verb. Rain, raining. Wait, waiting. Talk, talking. Help, helping. Learn, learning. Live, living. That means in main verb we found that in every main verb ing has been added. That means main verb ing. Then object or complement it is coming, you know. That means for 3 hours, for the train since 4 p.m, too much, us, English, Bangkok. That means object or complement. That means here you are getting what the formula you are getting. The formula present perfect progressive is that subject plus have verb plus been plus main verb ing plus object. But don't get confusion. While last class we were doing the passive form, present perfect. In present perfect we were using been in passive form. But while we were using been, at that time main verb was third form. In passive form, already I have told you, in passive form always main verb will be in third form. Present, past participle form. But in present progressive, present perfect progressive, that means main verb is ing. Okay, my dear students, did you understand what is the difference? Now, come to what is the meaning. It has been raining for 3 hours. That means it has been raining for 3 hours. That means began in past. The work, the rain began in past. And it is continuing. Now it is continuing. And it also may be extended. It also may be extended. That means we don't know. It has been started earlier. Now it is continuing. And there is the possibility of continuing. That means in future it may. We don't know. But here for 3 hours. For the continuous, it has been started. For 3 hours it was there. Okay, he has been waiting for the train since 4 p.m. Since 4 p.m. he has been waiting the train. Till now the train has not come. And how much late it will be, it is also not known. Or it may be late for 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, then you have been talking too much. That means you have been talking in the past you are talking, now you are talking. It may continue in future. That means it is the meaning of the present perfect progressive. How to use. That means you know formula, subject plus have verb plus been plus main verb ing plus object. Clear? Then come to our sentence pattern. Sentence pattern means first declarative sentence, you have to make it a negative sentence, you have to make it interrogative sentence. Interrogative mein what will come? It will come yes or no or what. Okay, already these sentences are given in declarative form, assertive form, positive form. We have to make it negative. For example, suppose I am taking, we have been learning English. We have been learning English. What is this? It is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. But what we have to change it? We have to change it into negative. Negative means already I have told you have main verb. In between use not. That means in between been is there. That means after have you have to. We have not. We have not been learning English. Clear? It is negative. It is negative. Clear? Declarative. Negative formula you remember. In between you have to use not. Clear? Then make it interrogative. Interrogative means first we will make it yes or no interrogative. Yes or no. First we will ask the question. What we will do? Same formula. That formula means the auxiliary verb will come first. That means we will take the auxiliary from this place to this place to beginning place. That means have will come first. Okay. Have. Then what is there? Have we been learning English? Have we been learning English? Question mark. Answer will have you been learning English or have we been learning English? Answer will come yes or no. If you have been learning, then yes. If you have not been learning, then no. So it is yes or no interrogative. Yes or no. Okay. Then come to what? WH word. That means you may frame a question by using who or what. If you are if you are asking a question by using what will the answer? Answer will be what have you been learning? Answer will be English. So English, this will be omitted. That means what, then what? I have already told you. You have to use the WH word first. Then same formula. After WH word will be followed by have verb. That means have. What have we been learning? What have we been learning? A WH word question. Clear? What have we been learning? WH word. Okay? That means 1, 2, 3, 4. If one sentence is given, you have to frame 4 sentences, or sometimes if it become 5, then you can make it 5 sentences. Another example you take. Suppose which one we will take? Okay, here, okay, we will take they have been living in Bangkok. Okay, they have been, number 2. They have been living in Bangkok. It is a declarative sentence. We have to make it to negative. Same thing. That means have. After have you have to use not. That means what will be the answer? They have not been living in Bangkok. Clear? Clear? It is declarative. It is negative. Then what will do? Yes or no question you have to frame. What you will do? You take the have verb. You take have verb. That is have you take. Have they been living in Bangkok? Interrogative. Yes or no? Interrogative. Clear? Then come to WH word. What? Who? You may frame a question by using who. Who have been living in Bangkok? It is also right. Or where? Where have they been living in? Answer will come back. 2 sentences here. Okay, who. If you are using who, first take who. Have. Then what is the verb? Have. Who have been living in Bangkok. Clear? WH word. Or suppose someone will ask, sir, we will use where, same thing, where, WH word, then have, where have they been living, not Bangkok, living, WH word. Clear? That means in this sentence you got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this way, I solved 2 and rest 4 are to be solved by you. But please remember, present progressive form have no passive voice. No passive voice. No passive voice. Okay, clearly remember, no passive voice has occurred in present perfect progressive. Okay, beta. Did you understand? Any problem? If you are facing any problem, try to comment me. Okay. Bye. Take care of your health. Do good and be good.